Did you know that there's a few investment opportunities that allow you to make money while you sleep? Imagine waking up to a few $100s every single day. Sounds too good to be true? Well, think again, because in this video, I have 3 different business opportunities that will provide you a steady stream of passive income. I'll go over the potential returns that you can expect and let you know to watch out for some particular pitfalls that could come with these businesses. So let's go ahead and get right into the video. The first business on this list is an ATM business. This can be a very profitable business, but it's important to understand the risks and rewards of this business. So let's go ahead and break everything down. First on the list is startup costs. An ATM business startup costs can vary widely depending on how many machines that you want to get started with. A new standalone ATM machine can cost anywhere from $2,000 to $10,000, while a used machine can be purchased for as little as $1,000. Next, I want to go over revenue potential. The revenue potential for an ATM business can be quite lucrative. Each transaction typically generates a fee of $1.50 to $4, and depending on the location and type of machine. If your machine is located in a high traffic area such as a shopping mall or an airport, it can generate hundreds or even thousands of transactions per month. On average, an ATM machine can generate anywhere from 10 to 20% per machine every single year, but again, this can vary depending on the location of the machine. Maintaining your machine is important to ensure that it continues to produce revenue for you consistently year over year. This includes regular maintenance such as cleaning and cash replenishment, as well as security measures to prevent theft and vandalism. So to minimize these risks as much as possible, you'll want to make sure your ATMs are in secure locations and make sure you have the proper insurance coverages to protect you from any of these risks associated with this business. Now, if you're enjoying this video so far, go ahead and smash that like button for me. It helps the YouTube algorithm push this out to people like you that are looking for videos like this. And while you're down there, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and hit that bell for notifications so you will be notified every time I drop a new video. The second business opportunity that I want to talk about in this video is vending machines. Vending machines are another popular investment choice that can generate steady passive income. So let's see how it shakes out. The startup cost for a vending machine can vary depending on how many machines you have and the products that you choose to put in them. A single machine can cost anywhere from $1,000 to $5,000, while the cost of stocking the machine can range from a few hundred to a few $1,000. You also need to consider the cost of maintenance, insurance, and location fees that you may have for placing it in certain areas. Next is revenue potential. The revenue potential for a vending machine business can be quite significant, with each machine generating anywhere from a few hundred to a few $1,000 depending on the location and types of products that you sell each month. Some of the most profitable vending machines are the ones that offer different snacks and drinks in high traffic areas like schools, offices, and public spaces. On average, a well-placed vending machine can generate a return of 15 to 30% per year. Choosing the right location for your vending machine is definitely crucial to the success of the investment. Like the ATM business, you'll want to look for high traffic areas, public spaces with a lot of foot traffic that you can place these vending machines in. Also, it's important to consider the demographics of the areas that you place the vending machines in, because this allows you to determine what particular products to put in the vending machines to sell. The next point is maintenance and restocking. Maintaining and restocking your vending machine is important to ensure that it continues to produce revenue for you month after month. This includes regular maintenance, servicing the machine, also replenishing it with snacks and drinks as it becomes low over time. You may want to also invest in a remote monitoring system that can let you know when these machines start to run low on products. Number 3 on the business opportunities list is Made This. This is a professional cleaning company that offers franchise opportunities for individuals that are looking to start a business in the cleaning industry. And if you're thinking, why cleaning business? Then take a look at these numbers. Cleaning service industry growth is consistent and services are always in demand. Residential cleaning industry trends show 20% growth year over year, with 80% of households being expected to use house cleaning services by 2024. So knowing this information, you can see why I have this business on the list, because the cleaning industry is consistently getting growth year over year. So it's one you definitely would want to get into. So here are some things to keep in mind with the Made This franchise opportunity. One is franchise fees. The initial investment to start the Made This franchise ranges anywhere from from $29,500 to $50,000, which includes the franchise fee, startup costs, and equipment. Made This also charges a 6% royalty fee as well of your monthly revenue, which goes towards ongoing support and training. 2 is training and support. Made This provides comprehensive training and support to help you get the business up quickly and efficiently. This includes a 2-week training program, ongoing support from a dedicated franchise coach, and access to the Made This brand and marketing materials. 3 is revenue potential. The revenue potential for Made This can be quite significant, with the average franchisee averaging over $200K per year in revenue. This number can vary depending on the size of your business, the number of employees you hire, and the types of cleaning services that you offer. 4 is marketing and branding. As a Made This franchisee, you'll benefit from all of the marketing and branding materials that they have to offer. This includes things like a professional website, social media presence, marketing materials such as business cards, flyers, and brochures. Number 5 is hiring and management. One of the benefits of investing in a Made This franchise is the ability to be able to hire cleaners to do the work for you. This allows you to focus on growing the business and managing employees instead of doing the actual cleaning yourself. So here are my final thoughts. Investing in an ATM, vending machine, or Made This franchise can be a great setup for anybody that's looking to diversify their portfolio, or for beginners that are looking to create passive income for themselves. However, it is important to do your own due diligence with these 3 businesses and look at the risk versus rewards. By choosing the right location, managing risk, and providing excellent service, you can maximize on your profits and build a successful business. Now, if you need a way to fund these opportunities, go ahead and click this video right here. I'll show you exactly how to get 0% interest business capital and the best method to do it with. So go ahead and click this video right here, and I'll see you in that video.